digital was there, pandemic brought the adoption. Exactly the same thing. This is what happened in the corporate world. Digital was there. We were there in the market for the 10 years, last 10 years. When we used to tell CFO, he said, Excel hand, I get everything. Treasury, risk and trade finance area, cash and liquidity and supply chain finance. These are the area ultimately we started catering the complete corporate finance function which CFO and board uses. Millions of dollars transactions on Excel. The whole interest everywhere in all the corporations has started to digitize the whole thing. And what is the status today? It says 11%. What our experience is, 95% of the corporations, majority of their corporate finance functions are in Excel. Bits and pieces here and there. Here we come. We brought in a product which not only caters to forex risk, it can be commodity, it can be money market, it can be hedge accounting risk, interest rate derivatives, one side. What positioned us differently in the market? One, we were agile. We didn't enforce the corporate clients to change their processes as per our software. We ensured that we accommodate their workflows and processes in our system. We had been an on-prem solution because every CFO wanted, this is my most critical data. It should be in my server. So the example in the country is, in treasury space, cloud solution provider couldn't succeed till now. They believed this is my most critical data and it has to be in my server. Large corporation preferred that it should be in my private cloud or in my data center or in my server. That is the first thing. Then coming up with the, I should say, bouquet of products. Complete, when we say treasury management system, it takes care of complete suite of products. That's the risk of commodity or money market or FX. Then trade finance activity is the major problem area for every corporate. LCs are manual. You have to apply, go to the portal, send application. ERP separate. No system talks to each other. Whether it's a doc preparation. Doc prep module means all your documentation with regard to the bank, system prepares it, automatically sends it to bank. And after, you have to be a forward-looking company, so you have to come in SaaS. So we launched our SaaS product, Intrax, where with the partnership of Oracle and Refinitiv, Thomson Reuters, we launched it. And the other product which came into market from us was supply chain finance, Venzi. Today when we talk, every CFO, everywhere, across the globe, the situation is not grim in our country where digitalization is taking shape. As far as the corporate finance functions are, treasury is the heart of every corporate. We have read newspaper article where it has been proved that certain corporations are making more profit in their treasury operations than in their core function. And they have named large corporations of the country because there are a lot of underlying transactions on the basis of which they can make money out of that. Highly domain centric. Today we claim that what these big fours or everybody tells us that we are the market leader in the country, and the coming year will show where we are intending to be globally. So what we are providing a complete connected ecosystem for corporate finance, connecting with ERP, connecting with data service provider, financial data service provider, connecting with the banks in a holistic way. Clients have opted for us because if they take today money market module to manage their $6 billion investment portfolio, tomorrow when they have a requirement for FX management system, treasury system, they need not run here and there. If it is cash and liquidity management system, they need not look for another vendor. And if they have to automate their complete trade finance operation, which is the which is the most pain area for the large corporate or any corporate, whether it's a bank guarantee or it's a LC or buyer's credit or PCFC, pre-shipment, post-shipment, anything for that matter. Everything and complete digitized documentation by the system, pushing it to the bank with digital signatures and getting all relevant confirmation, credit limit release, everything on a digital mode. This is what we have provided to the corporations of the country.